Joe Wentworth, Senior Product Manager here at Peerless AV, and today I'm going to show you the SmartMount articulating mounts. So we have the SA761 PU and the SA771 PU. Both of these products are new within the last year or so, recently redesigned. We have a full extension on these mounts out to 30.5 inches. This will go up to a 600 by 400 VESA pattern and 150 pound load rating. The SA771 PU, again, 30.5 inches from the wall and a 200 pound load rating on this product. It has a center lateral shift that allows you to center this mount on any wall, plus or minus 8 inches of side-to-side adjustment. And next, we have our new scissor mount. This is the STS680. So this is the slimmest scissor mount on the market right now at 1.8 inches. It can extend out a full 12 inches of extension for servicing. One of the nice features that we have on this product is the ability to lock the latching depth of it. So it is an infinite latching system. So you can latch it from 1.8 inches all the way out to 6 inches. This allows you to mount any depth equipment behind the display and set that latching depth so it never touches those components. You have magnetic pull cords that are pre-installed that can hide those pull cords behind your display. It is compatible with the Crestron Flex unit. You can see here that's mounted in the middle with two simple adapter brackets. And we have two component trays on each side here. Those are the ACC-UCM2s, allow you to mount your components off-site, ship them to where they're being installed, and a quick, easy install just by sliding those onto the left or right side of the wall mount. You have built-in height adjustment at the top of the product here. And lateral shift adjustment along the wall plate.